Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel with parental controls. In order to do so, first off here on the iOS device, we have already installed YouTube Kids, so that's the first thing that you're going to want to do. And we're going to go ahead and click on that. And when that opens up
Welcome
here,
to YouTube Kids. Get a grown-up's help.
okay, I am a grown-up, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And you can see here that it's going to say that you need to sign in with the parent's account. So we're going to sign in and create a profile for each kid. If you choose to sign in, you get more controls whether you want to allow lots of videos or handpick your own. You can also block any videos and channels you don't like. The next time you sign into a device, your kids' profiles will be ready to go. Sign in with the parent's account and we'll get started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go to the next stage here. And it's asking us to sign in, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And here we have a consent form, and we're going to go ahead and confirm. Oh, we got to enter in our password, and I'll just go ahead and use that. Okay, so here now we're going to create a profile for our kids here. So we'll go ahead and we'll make a profile for little Billy, and he is 5 years old, and we have his birth month. We'll just go ahead and say June, and then I think that's good, so we'll go ahead and go to the next page here, and it says recommended content settings for Billy, and we've got preschool, younger, or older, so I guess we're going to go with younger. And we have here content recommended for kids 5 to 8. So we'll go ahead and select that. And our profile is now created for Billy. So then from there, we'll go ahead and move on to the next page here. So it says, tap the lock to change your settings or open the parental guide. So and let's see here. We'll just keep going to the next here. We're going to block and report videos from the 3-dot menu. So we can do that there. And to see what your child has watched, go to the home screen and tap watch it again. Okay, so if you want to see what they have watched, then you can do that. And set a timer to lock the app when it's time for your child to take a break. So that's nice as well. If you only want them to watch for a certain amount of time, then you can create a timer, and all of that is in the lock menu there. So let's go ahead and we'll press that. So here, parents only. To continue, please answer the correct answer. 7 times 9 equals, and that is, let me just figure that out here real quick. Right. Okay, yeah, just it's been a bit here, so got that. Okay, how do you feel about your YouTube Kids? Well, we'll just say happy, that's fine. Okay, and let's see here. Okay, so then you can see now that we have set up our parental controls, and we have the option to either set a timer, create settings. Let's go ahead and check our settings here, and then here you can see that we can add a new user, and we've got a variety of other options here as well. So that is all there is to it. That's how you set up parental controls for your kids' YouTube channel, and I hope that was helpful to you. If it was, please click like and subscribe for more helpful tips.